Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create virtual house tours for your real estate business so you can attract new leads, buyers, sellers, and more by creating valuable content to share on social media through drip sequences, newsletters, campaigns, and more. Let's go ahead and jump into how we can create these types of videos in just a few clicks. The very first step is to sign up for a free trial at dubb.com. You can do everything that I'm going to show you here on the free trial. And if you need support, just reach out and our team's going to help you every step along the way. But you can also do it yourself. And here's how. When you first sign up, there's going to be a task on here that says install the Dubb Chrome extension. That's what I'm doing right now. There's also going to be a task that says install the Dubb desktop app. So whether you want to use the Chrome extension or the desktop app will ultimately be up to you. But either of these apps are going to help get you started with this use case. So this is what we're going to do first. I'm going to go to this listing, probably recognize the home alone house. And now let's jump into how I can do a virtual property tour with the desktop app or Chrome extension. So I'm going to start here with the desktop app. You can see from Mac or PC, I can simply launch the screen recorder. From there, I have this little toolbar. I also have the ability to place my webcam anywhere that I want it. I increase the size. I can zoom in case my background is less than ideal. It doesn't have to actually include my background. We can pan, of course, to find out where, whatever frame you sort of want to sit on. You can change the shape. So this is the first piece, is placing yourself a part of this property tour so that you can stay top of mind. The next thing is actually the listing itself. You won't have homes.com. You'll have an MLS website to be showing properties from. And this is where you'll be able to do this. So the first thing is you pull up the website with the listing, your MLS. You're going to position your webcam in the appropriate place. Then you're going to use the toolbar here, whether you're using the Chrome extension or the desktop. Chrome extension is recording now, but I'm showing you the desktop. From there, I can select the teleprompter script. So if I was feeling a little bit lazy, I might be able to take this script and actually take the exact text from this, copy, and add it as a teleprompter script so that I don't want to memorize it. I could also go into the dashboard and rewrite this as a teleprompter script. I can tell the AI built into Dubb to rewrite this listing description as a teleprompter script. And then I can select from that script and read from it as I'm talking about this listing. So that's one idea. The other is you don't even need the teleprompter and we can just use the listing itself. So I'm going to press record and begin giving an example of how this can work. So I could say, hey there, everybody. I know you're out of town, but I know you really wanted to see this property. So I thought I'd give you a little virtual tour about some of its best amenities and how they really fit all the meeting marks that you talked about. So let's get into this. The first thing is most important requirement. It's the house from Home Alone. I know that was really important for you guys. The bad news is it's pending. So doesn't mean we've lost it yet, but let's get into some more of these things. Anyway, this is the kind of thing that you can do is you can create arrows, right? Drawing attention to the things you want to take to, go through the individual pictures like this, where I can select and, go to the picture more closely and really dive into the whole whatever's available on this listing. So this is what it looks like to create these types of property tours with the teleprompter or without, with the annotation tools or without. And you also have the option of multiple clips. So here I'm going to press the check mark and you're going to see that's captured the first 40 seconds of that video. Now I can go back and capture another 1 minute, 2 minute, another part of the property. So this is how you can create really interesting, dynamic virtual property tours for social, for web, for etc. Now, guys, one step further than this is I want to show you how you can really optimize this for social media. So I'm actually going to close that one really quick, discard it. And then now we're going to take our browser here. We're going to squeeze it to this narrowest view, just like this. And then now we're going to use the same desktop app and we're going to put ourselves in there and we're going to talk about, hey, the house from Home Alone is pending. I wonder who's buying it. And we're going to use the custom size here for portrait. And this is going to give us a perfect portrait just like that. Now I'm going to press record and I'm going to say, hey guys, I don't know if you're aware, but the Home Alone house is actually pending. Someone is planning on buying this sucker and we're going to go give them a door knock and see who they are after they buy it. Anyways, not a great content for social media, but it's on the way. And this is exactly what that's now going to look like, where you have a vertical framed video that's perfectly optimized for TikTok and YouTube Shorts and all those platforms that prefer a vertical style video. So these are how you can create really engaging, powerful video house tours to promote your real estate business, getting new clients from social media, email drips, nurturing, and so much more. There's one last piece that I want to talk about that happens with Dubb with your virtual house tours. When you create a virtual house tour like this, Dubb is going to automatically build a landing page with an AI powered chat assistant that can know about your listing. It can have your calendar, your reviews, testimonial videos, and so much more accompanying that landing page instantly as soon as you record it, just like I showed you in this video. And the best part of all this is our team can help you set up all of this, help you practice, set these pages up, and everything for you. So come check us out, get a completely free trial to dubb.com, and then come join us in the live training any weekday at 10 a.m. Pacific, and then get optimized in your one-on-one support. Good luck on your next video house tours using Dubb. Can't wait to see them.